So let's have a face-off and see exactly what the clash will look like musically between Stoneboy and Shatawale. All right? And right now I'm stepping out of it because I don't do music. They do the music. So I'm stepping out of the middle of them so they can actually do their face-off for me. You stand at the edge right here. This is all part of the acceptance. Yeah. It's all part of the acceptance. Right. And let's see the action. It's it.
Wear your mask. Wear your mask. Don't take Corona catch you. Sorry.
I mean, we go. Why you though?
Yeah. Fry your face.
Small boy, you won't do like you won't fight your father.
Asaase sound clash.
You don't remember 2010?
Sometimes if you see Asaase radio, they stay like Labadi Beach. Eh?
They know they still. You make one.
Charlie.
And they can like a guy. You, second camera, will can your top like a guy. Is it the way they say Jesus go come?
I like the way you're singing my song.
Because you know say they like you, so I no go kill you plenty.
We are baby people there, we so no. But here there no tribalism. If you Mike way, you kill you, Mike.
Okay, then they no reach yet. They don't be too much your hobby.
Is there somebody called Beyonce? You go feature a few outdoor, you say with this.
You see who they talk your matter. If you fear not be a party be a fear outdoor. If you fear not sing the backup for the song inside.
Don't break my relationship, my guy.
Yeah, man.
Why they do that? Be serious, we they can't clash. I don't like this thing you do. This is listen and talk. This is as we there right now, police for the air. Because you know they go come out gun. Thank you very much. Who gave him that name?
It's another if he talks. You know, say when you kill the person, finish, you be dead man too. You don't talk to dead people.
Hey! Punchline, punchline.
He will leave you. After the clash. And most of you will be at his state this thing. You tell me say I'll be dead man. Hey. No, I don't go do but as people don't tell me this, I don't go do this thing.
Hey!
Aya, you agree already. You lie, you agree already.
Even though we say this clash, eh? If you so I like that name, invited ghost. That be how I will come to you, Kakai. They tell you already. Make people not talk plenty. I don't want to talk. But you see your fans, tell them say after this clash, I will do something for them. And that thing they no go like back, I will do for them. You know what I will do for them? Them they will bring them a vote to me and I will decide the next president of Ghana. How they tell you. How they tell you something. You like that thing?
And some people will be like, say, they all been plenty. Me, I tell you already. If it goes to where they talk, no, Samai.
Charlie, your guarantee where you got there. You got there, you work guarantee.
The guarantee we customize, you know, see how.
You customize.
If you don't customize, it will be my own.
My guy, this one, strictly magazine.
You want to do so, it's a customize. Don't let that.
Don't remove him. I know say you be superstar. Don't remove him. Don't remove him.
You know see how. If my name no date up, I no go wear tear rubber. You know see, you know step ground.
Beam.
If somebody in rent.
It's a beam thing.
But I don't like the scent with the voice.
If the Santa logo kill you, we say I don't go talk.
You come with scent. I like your shoe, bro. I like them. Maybe after the clash, if you know that, you go show me where you buy from.
No, but for real, you know, this is made in Ghana, so and I know the government.
I tell you, magazine,
made in Ghana.
No. Support made in Ghana. I like what you're wearing. You know, I like what you're wearing.
It was produced in Italy,
what?
but it's made
by a Ghanaian.
Ghanaian.
Okay,
you know,
all right,
but that don't mean say we can't make it in Ghana. So big up to all of the people making stuff from Ghana by Ghana. And buy Ghana, you know, you have to buy Ghana.
No.
And buy into the class because I go kill them. Anyhow.
Yeah.
Up or down.
We dream with a dream. Short men never die like that, too. You
agree say be short man, you agree.
Bad man, I be short, but I be taught spiritually.
But anyway, that's it. Big
Thanks, man.
Yo,
Thanks,
so
man. It's all love, man.
This is
all
real.
Love. Yeah.
This is gonna happen.
Yeah.
The only time you guys see us laugh is this time. The rest of
Straight. For the street.
reaction time.
You're
Thank you,
my
my
friend.
brother.
Thank you.
Yep.